Hello, and welcome to Inspire Academy Elementary English. My name is Sarah, and I will be your teacher. There will be 20 units in this class. Let's go over what you will learn in this class. Unit 1. We will go over the verb to be, meeting new people, and prepositions. Unit 2. We will go over body parts, landscapes, emotions, and the city. Unit 3. We'll learn about asking and answering questions and making suggestions. Unit 4. You will learn how to ask for directions. Unit 5. You'll learn about prepositions like on or at. Unit 6 will be vocabulary about houses and homes. Unit 7, we will take a look at restaurants and how to order. Unit 8 is about family. Unit 9 is about the verbs I can and I want. Unit 10 is about countable and uncountable nouns. Unit 11 is about telling time. Unit 12, you will learn how to build a sentence. Unit 13 is about possession, like mine or yours. Unit 14 is about pronunciation, how to pronunciate words correctly. Unit 15 is polite phrases when having conversations with other people. Unit 16 is about adverbs, and it's about adverbs, specifically adverbs of frequency, like often or never. Unit 17 is about school and office, both vocabulary and phrases and asking questions. Unit 18 is about the simple past tense. Unit 19 is more about prepositions in, at, on, and to. And Unit 20 is a summary of all of the above. Your course is about 20 lessons, and in those 20 lessons, you will have 20 video presentations, 20 exercises in activity books. You will find some audio exercises that go with your activities in the books. And so for best results, try to do your exercises and activities after class. You can watch the videos and practice whenever it's convenient for you. Also, you will be able to listen to some audio in English. If you can, go to YouTube, watch some videos in English, watch some movies in English, and get your ear accustomed to listening to English and learning new vocabulary. Well, let's get started with the course. See you soon.